Get acquainted with the 2021 Hyundai Tucson. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 20,000 miles on the odometer. Give yourself the quality and comfort you deserve with this refined Hyundai Tucson. Meticulously constructed, smooth riding, and equipped with standard driver assist safety features, this compact crossover has what you need to get the most out of every drive. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: lane keeping assist, Bluetooth connection, electronic stability control, rear spoiler, traction control, tire pressure monitoring system, auxiliary audio input, cruise control, power windows, AM/FM stereo. Make excellence your personal standard. Choose the Tucson. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.